Go for it. Okay, ready.
30 degrees. Pitch up.
Gosh. I feel like we're in a spaceship.
I love it. So cool. Wow. So we just essentially went from 1,000 to 2,000. Wow, that was so
So
fast.
like, let's say like you're flying into canyon and you realize that, oh my god, I can't get out of there.
Uh-huh.
You do that maneuver.
Oh, okay. Because it's tight space, right?
Yeah, because
okay.
it's a tight turn. I mean, like that's how tight our turn was.
Oh, okay. You're
versus like the regular
okay.
turns that we were doing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you do like spins too, right? Like spirals and stuff?
I mean, here, this is what a steep turn feels like.
Okay.
I just kind of myself situated here.
Sorry, Jen, tell me if you're okay.
I'm 100% fine.
Okay, good. Whoa.
There's some cheese for you.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
You still doing good back there?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Cool.
Feels like I'm on a ride. I feel the
But do you see what I mean by it's just straight down?
Yeah, it's just straight down. Like you cannot feel anything but straight down. That is nuts. I definitely know why people get so disoriented then.
And then you do it right back into the right turn.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna... Wow.
So this right here, that's 60 degrees.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like I'm on that gravity ride. Look at the fair.
The one that spins you like super, super fast, yeah? Wow.
I want to see if we can get up high enough for this above the clouds before we reach them. No, you can kind of see what I mean by the golden fluffy clouds.
Yeah.
But you can kind of see it already.
Oh, wow.
You good?
Yeah, I'm
Cool.
perfect.
Okay, this is absolutely the best time to go flying. So fluffy. Wow. Goodness. All right, Jen. I'll get you in the shot. Okay, here we go.
With the seatbelt real quick.
Here. Get all three of us. Here we go. Awesome.
Who's flying the plane?
Nobody. It's on autopilot. This plane has autopilot, right?
Technically, yes, yeah.
Wow. Okay, above the clouds is definitely my favorite.
Yeah.
I mean, no, Maui is beautiful, but oh my goodness.
really cool cinema for you right there.
It is so, this is incredible. Oh, wow.
Yeah, right now we're at 4,000 feet.
Okay. That is not that high. There's, okay. The fact that we are already in the clouds.
Look how blue the sky is too above them. Crazy.
Oh wait, no, don't tell her that. She doesn't like the blue sky.
No. Give me the clouds.
It looks like another ocean almost.
Yeah.
It's a little deceiving.
Okay, at night it's really deceiving because the ocean looks like the night sky.
Oh.
So that's the only reason, you know. I don't know how to really explain it, but yeah, the ocean looks black and so does the sky, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't really have any reference to how high you are
Yeah.
when you're flying over water, and that's what's scary about flying at night out here.
Oh, I see. So even flying over water, it should you should technically be like everything instrument rated, right?
No, not for flying over water.
No?
No. Nighttime, I would say for nighttime, yes.
Mm-hmm.
But for flying over water, no, not necessarily.
Oh yeah, okay. So right now, would this technically be IFR? No, it's
Not
still
at all.
VFR. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Because we still have reference to the horizon.
Oh, okay.
Reference to the horizon and reference to the ground.
Okay, I see. I just kind of assumed, I guess, what, like, anything in the clouds or above the clouds would be, okay.
VFR on top is also a thing, and that's when you have no reference to the ground.
Mm-hmm.
That is, it is a kind of form of IFR.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but other than that, no.
Okay. Gosh, that is so pretty. When did you start flying?
2016.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then what made you want to...
I've just always been interested in since elementary school.
Oh, okay.
In elementary school, that's actually what in elementary, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Yeah.
My mom has actually found one of those forms that I filled out, and I put pilot in it.
That is perfect. Do you have family members that are in aviation?
Nope.
Wow. You're a smart kid. You knew what you wanted.
One of the select few.
Yes. Otherwise, you just get so caught up in everybody else's, like, oh, you should do this or you should do that. But
We're back to the shipwreck.
Yep. Yeah, so this island on our left is Lanai. That's an island that is 98% owned by Larry Ellison, the CEO of Oracle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was Dole Pineapple before.
Oh.
But he bought it up.
Wow.
Yeah. Just a mere 300 million.
No.
Holy
no
cow.
big deal.
Yeah.
But why?
Pocket change.
Does he spend time on the island?
I'm really not too sure, but I know that he hasn't really done much other than build a golf course and a hotel that's like $1,300 to spend, or $1,300 a night.
I see. Okay. That's too bad.
Yeah.
Like, you could cultivate things or use it for...
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure the people that I love him for not doing anything like that. Just keeping the island how it is.
Oh. There are people living on the island.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a
gotcha.
population of.
Okay.
So Lanai is like 3,000 people. Molokai is 8,000.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I assumed that like just that there was nobody on
Oh yeah,
the
no,
island.
no,
Okay,
no,
okay.
There's people here.
Wow.
It's a nice 63 degrees up here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is the air coming in from the outside?
Yeah.
This one? Okay.
So these ones you just twist to open. Left is open.
Oh.
Right is closed.
Oh, okay. Jen, do you need some air? Oh, you have some in the back.
Yeah, just
okay,
got her
I
out.
see.
Mine's on full blast back there.
Yeah, I'm gonna close mine.
I was actually I was wondering where the air was coming from. To be honest.
Wow.
Apple lied to me.
Sorry?
I said Apple lied to me. It's 5:46 and it's still
Oh.
not say it.
Maybe if we were at like sea level, it would be down. Oh, man. It's still going. Your GoPro is still going, Jen.
I know, I'm surprised. I was waiting for the red light to stop blinking. I'm surprised based on time and the memory card.
Yeah.
I mean, we started recording an hour and 15 minutes ago.
I was going to say,